Okay, now we are going to take the lab section. Before going to take the lab section, if you need this PowerPoint presentation, you can just download this page. Just go to the Google. From Google, you can just studentcpu.com PXE boot. Studentcpu.com, this is my site. You can just click the first link. From here, at the bottom of the page, you can just see refer the PowerPoint presentation. Just click this link, you will get the PowerPoint presentation. It will lead into the direction download. Once you download, now we'll go to the lab session. Okay. IP address we need to configure is 10.154.1.195. First we need to configure the DHCP. Open the dhcpd.conf file. Just copy this file. Here that IP address is 10.154.1.195. subnet mask is 255.255.0. so first thing is the network ID is 10.154.1.0. subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. actually this is the network class A network, but the subnet mask is a little bit different, so don't confuse. Here we are using some different network, and starting IP is 10.154.1.170 and ending IP is 10.154.1.10 and 50 server IP is local IP. DHCP and TFTP will act as both the same server, so IP is 10.154.1.195. Once configured, just restart this service. After configure the DHCP port, just go to the TFTP configuration. This is the TFTP. The thing is, we need to just change the option X into no. Then just restart the service. Once restarted, confirm service is running in the port number 69. Yes, the TFTP it is working on the port number 69. TFTP is configured. Then we need to configure the NFS image, NFS on. So first step is we need to mount the operating system image, then we need to copy this both step. It's already completed. First one is OS is already completed. Second one is we need to copy file is already copied into the export RHL 6.4. The next one is now the thing is we need to get the initial booting files into the TFTP boot document root directory. So just go to var lib tft boot, and from here create the OS image kdir RHL 6.4. go to RHL 6.4, then copy copy the files ISO Linux initrd into the OS name. So go to the ISO Linux. From here copy initrd into var lib tft boot and cfc trd VM Linux into var lib tft boot RHL 6.4. Once copied, then we'll go to the fourth step, NFS configuration. First step is we need to create the OS export directory. Then we need to copy the OS image into the export. Then add this path into the ETC export option. Created, and file is already copied into the export RHL 6.4. So now we need to add this path into the etc export path. The file is export RHL 6.4. just copy this file, add this path into export NFS export option. Restart the service. Option is little bit wrong. So correct option SYNC SY. Restart the service now. It is okay now. Confirm. Command of any localhost. Directory is exported successfully. And the next step is we need to create the boot image under var lib tft boot pxelinux.cfg. So first create the pxelinux.cfg directory under the tft boot document root. mkdir PXE Linux CFG, then go to PXE Linux.cfg. Under create the file, under create the diff file, sorry, here you need to copy this menu.c32 file from user sar syslinux menu c3 tool. Just confirm this file is copied or not. This file is not yet copied, so just copy cp user sar into the current working directory. File is copied. So now go to the default directory FALT menu UI. Create the label one. If you are not familiar with this syntax, you can just refer the file embedboot.txt file. Where's the file? Not being clear. Refer this file. This kernel file, just refer this. Let's refer this file. So first we need to add the kernel, then we need to add the init RD. So the file located TFTP file is so 6.4 VM Linux. The first file is this one. Yes. Next file is copy this file. Once copied, this fifth step is completed. The sixth step I will explain it later.